Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can claim a $500 no deposit bonus that you can use to start trading with without having to make a dime deposit of your own. All you have to do is just open an account with this particular broker and you'll be getting a $500 no deposit bonus to trade. As you can see here, I've dropped the update already with my guys here. So in this channel you'll be seeing different updates right here. So that's how I'll be dropping videos on my YouTube channel often on how you can make money online in 2025. Now, to get the link to the website, all you have to do is just click on the link that will be in the description of this video. It will bring you to my Telegram channel right here showing on the screen. So all you have to do is just click on the link that will be showing like this. All you have to just click on it, then you can begin to register with the account. So now let's go ahead and get the $500 no deposit account. So after clicking on the link, it will bring you right to this interface showing on the screen. This is the site where you'll be getting the account. As you can see showing on the screen, it's a $500 startup no deposit bonus, and this is a live trading account. It is not a demo account, live trading. So now let's head into getting the bonus. So the next thing you need to do is to put in your email address right here, as you can see. So you put in your email address and click on get bonus. So after putting your email address and you've clicked on get right here, all you have to do is complete these details right here: your name, your phone number, your country, your state, everything right here, and you click on get bonus. So I'll do mine now and get back to the video. And as you can see showing on the screen, congratulations, you are on the registration of trading accounts. So now all we have to do is just head into our Gmail right there to get our login details that we use to trade in our MetaTrader 5. So the next thing we want to do now is to head into the email address to get the message that they have sent to us. So now let's head there. Now showing on the screen is the login details that I'm using to trade in my MetaTrader 4. This detail is for MetaTrader 4, and as you can see, the name of the server is instafinancesingapore.com. Don't make that mistake. So all you are going to be doing now is to copy your login details, then we enter MetaTrader 4 to get our bonus. So this is my MetaTrader 4. So now go ahead and search for the broker, which is Forex. Don't forget we are going for Singapore. So you'll be putting in login details right here. Putting in the login details. So after putting in the login details, the next thing you are going to do is just click on sign in right here. Click on sign in. So as you can see, I've been able to claim the $500 no deposit bonus shown on the screen. As you can see here, I've been able to get mine. So do not forget, just open an account with them. All you have to do is just register an account with them and you'll be getting your $500 no deposit account, no deposit bonus account. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, you subscribe to this channel because I drop videos often on how you can make money online in 2025. Thank you for watching this video.